Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to delete the sheets on a spreadsheet file by mobile phone. So here I already have the documents that I mostly use for work, and after that in this bottom right here they're containing the sheets that contain in my spreadsheets files. There will be like 4, but then there is one sheets that I rarely used and I no longer used. So here let's delete this sheet so that only 3 sheets that will be pop up on the screen, and it will be like make our work be easier and efficient. So to delete the sheets, you just need to go into the sheets that you want to delete, and you just need to go click it again, and after that there will be like pop up several options towards the sheets. So after that you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the sheets, and those sheets will be like removed from your spreadsheet files. So that's the way how to delete sheets on a spreadsheet file. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel and discover more about the Google Sheets tutorial, and see you for the next video.